Not only thousands, but lakhs of jobs are being added in the Indian market. New jobs are being created in 2024. So this should be the best news for 2024. I think a job seeker can only have two good news. One is that they have got an offer, which will come to anyone individually. The second is that there are jobs in the market. Hi, this is Namisha, and I'm here to tell you what kind of jobs are going to be newly available in 2024 in the Indian job market. So let's begin. First, we talk of freshers. They are the people who struggle the most when they're looking for jobs because everybody is looking at experience. But let me tell you, this year, freshers are going to get a lot of jobs. We talk of freshers first, and we are covering manufacturing industry. The source of all that is going to be is from Economic Times, it is from Business Standard, and so on. These news have been featured in the last 1 month or so on these publications. Also, towards the end, I tell you about the lack of job offers. Which industry is going to create 50 lakh job offers in the next 2 years? Watch the video till the end to know that. And we come back to fresher hiring. The manufacturing sector, which is the automobile, engineering, steel, this sector is going to increase its hiring by 15 to 30% this year. The hiring of freshers. Yeah? In the year 2024, they will increase it up to 15 to 30%. And to name a few companies, JSW Steel would be looking at hiring 2,000 more freshers. 1,600 graduate engineer trainees will be a part of that. Tata Steel will hire 700 freshers from campuses. L&T will be hiring 2,000 graduates from IITs and NITs. Maruti Suzuki is hiring 1,400 freshers. Vedanta is going to hire 1,500 to 1,800 candidates from Tier 1 institutes. Hiring is also going to be high for people who are already middle management level and so on. And Titan is one company which is going to hire 3,000 people in the next 5 years, of which it is going to be mid to senior level hirings. The engineer hiring will increase by 50% in the next 2 years. Muthoot Mini Financiers, they are going to hire 2,000 people in the year 2024. They're opening about 1,000 more branches, and they would look at this hire across positions, not only freshers but across ranks, and this will be in Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Delhi, Haryana, Maharashtra kind of areas. The travel and hospitality industry is also going to be booming. It is going to be creating 70 to 80,000 new jobs in the next few months. Yeah, hospitality managers, event planners and coordinators, restaurant staff, logistic managers are some of the most in-demand roles that will be there. In terms of the companies, Lemon Tree Hotels is going to be recruiting 3,000 people in the next 1 year. Fortune, ITC Hotel Group member, is going to be recruiting 8 to 10% more in this year compared to 2023. Royal Orchid and Regenta will be employing nearly 1,800 people more in the financial year 2024. And the sector which is going to be hiring 50 lakh new professionals in the next 2 years is going to be the renewable energy sector. So this is going to solve two problems for India: unemployment and the climate crisis, both. Yeah, this is about the hiring news. If you like this, and please press the like button. If you want to know about any particular industry, or if you are looking at any particular job role, you want to know what kind of job will be available, you can mention in the comments, and I will try to cover that and come back to you. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching.